Here is our newest microwave that we got. We've been through a number of microwaves, and this just so happened to be probably the third one that we went through. Well, the other two were kind of older, but yeah, this is the newest one that we bought. They only last you so long. Much heavy use, they'll break on you, like all things do these days, due to it not being made well in stinking China. Magic Chef or Chafe, or I believe that says Magic Chef. Yeah, that's the name of it, if I'm not mistaken. It's got the time on it, all your features there. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it. I got my sausage here. And one of the main things that I don't like about it, as you can see, the door is going to close on it. And I'm guessing because it's not leveled off correctly, the way we have it sitting. But I don't think that has to do with the door. I think it's because it wasn't leveled off correctly. So, here we go. Put this on. You never want to warm sausage up past a minute, otherwise it'll be too hard. You want it just right. Usually it would beep when I let it go all the way, but it's good enough. Okay, that's well done. I'm at the fan man and out. Thanks for watching. God bless you and gone.